Every 2 minutes, someone in the US is diagnosed with cancer. But did you know that up to a third of these cases could be prevented by a healthy diet? It's a startling reality. Our daily food choices have a significant impact on our health. They can either fortify our bodies or, sadly, fuel diseases like cancer. The correlation between diet and cancer is undeniable, and it's crucial we understand it. Today we're going to talk about 7 foods that have been linked to cancer. First on our list is processed meats. These include hot dogs, sausages, and bacon. Now, why are these tasty treats a concern? Well, they've been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. This isn't just hearsay. The World Health Organization even classifies processed meats as carcinogenic. That's right, carcinogenic, a term used for substances capable of causing cancer. Next time you're considering a hot dog, you might want to think twice. Second, we have alcohol. Alcohol, when consumed excessively, is a potent carcinogen linked to multiple types of cancer. The risks include cancers of the mouth, esophagus, breast, and liver. The more you drink, the higher your risk. Even moderate drinking can increase the likelihood of breast cancer. The reason? Well, alcohol can damage cells, leading to mutations that cause cancer. It also hampers the body's ability to repair this damage. So, it might be time to reconsider that nightly glass of wine. Third on our list are sugary drinks. These sweet sips might be a treat for your taste buds, but they're a trick for your health. Consuming high amounts of these drinks can lead to obesity, a condition that increases your risk of various types of cancer. It's not just about the sugar but the extra calories that contribute to weight gain. Remember, healthy isn't synonymous with boring. You can opt for infused or sparkling water, herbal teas, or fresh fruit juices. Water is always a healthier choice. Fourth, we have fried foods. You may love the crispy golden crunch, but fried foods can be a serious health hazard. The high heat of frying generates acrylamide, a carcinogenic substance linked to various types of cancer, including breast and prostate. Plus, the unhealthy oils often used for frying can contribute to inflammation, another cancer trigger. From fried chicken to donuts, these tempting treats are best enjoyed in moderation. It might be time to cut back on the French fries. Fifth is red meat. Let's chew on this. Red meat, while delicious and an excellent source of protein, has been linked to colorectal cancer. Studies suggest that the high levels of saturated fats and carcinogens produced when red meat is cooked at high temperatures could be the culprits. It's not about completely eliminating red meat from your diet, but rather, moderating your intake. Consider swapping red meat for leaner proteins like chicken or fish. These alternatives can offer a healthier choice without skimping on flavor or satisfaction. Sixth on our list are refined carbohydrates and sugars. These seemingly harmless substances are often hidden in our favorite comfort foods. But here's the catch. They can lead to obesity, a condition linked with multiple forms of cancer. How so? These empty calories provide little nutritional value, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar and contributing to weight gain. It's a domino effect. So, how about a change in strategy? Try swapping refined carbs for whole grains. It's a small step with substantial health benefits. Last but not least, we have salt-preserved foods. These are foods where salt is used to inhibit microbial growth, extending shelf life. However, studies show a strong connection between these foods and stomach cancer. The high salt content can damage the stomach lining, leading to inflammation and eventually cancer. Common salt-preserved foods include pickles, salted fish, and cured meats. The World Health Organization recommends limiting salt intake to less than 5 grams per day. Consider reducing your intake of salt-preserved foods. To sum up, a diet high in processed meats, alcohol, sugary drinks, fried foods, red meat, refined carbohydrates and sugars, and salt-preserved foods can increase your risk of cancer. These foods contain harmful substances that can damage your cells and lead to the development of cancer. The high levels of sodium, unhealthy fats, sugars, and carcinogenic compounds found in these foods are major contributors to this life-threatening disease. Remember, a healthy diet is a key step in cancer prevention. Choose wisely, live longer.